Imagine watching a video of someone doing protective hairstyle and the video comes out like effortless. The hairstyle, the whole process, it looks really easy, but in reality that's not how it is. If you can relate to this and you decide to try the hairstyle, and then in the middle of the whole process of braiding your hair you start asking yourself, why the hell did I do this to myself? Say hi in the comment section. Only those who braid their hair can relate to this. So I decided to recreate this style from one of my previous hairstyle. And you guys did not tell me that parting the hair when it's long can be a struggle. Anyways, it's something I'm already used to, but guys, when I went back to watch that video of when my hair was still short, the whole process of parting the hair looked so like effortless, but only for me to now start trying this one, then it was a struggle, like a lot. So I decided to do flat twist instead of the actual braid. You guys can already see how the result is going. It's giving, is it not? So that's how baby girl was just doing it, so jejely, because at this point I was already asking myself, who sent me message? Ordinary just four cornrows of flat twist that took me so long. You guys don't even want to know how long it took me. There are some videos we post 5 minutes protective hairstyle, but if you see the reality, if you see the behind the scene, anyways, I had to go off the camera to do the remaining one, because why not? And this is the final look. You guys, it just wasn't giving for me. What do you think? Do you think it was giving? Anyways, because I wasn't feeling it, I decided to change it to cornrow. So this is the final process of the hairstyle I had to recreate. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Is this an hairstyle you can try or you would love to try? See you guys in another one. For now, bye.